Alright, so I just got this on a trade. It's a 2012 Arctic Wildcat 1000. Guy told me it was in limp mode, trying to troubleshoot it. I took the seats out to see if the sensor for the seat belts was there, because it's got the 4-point harness. This is the driver's side. There's no seatbelt sensor on this side. I took all that out so I can see what's going on. For some reason, fuel pump kicks on. It don't do anything. You hear the solenoid clicking over, but this is here, and this is how you start it. Not exactly sure why. It'll run and idle, kind of runs like shit, but let's go back to the other side. It has a steering radius of a bus. I don't know if, that might be the issue. Well, most likely is. This is how everything was when I took it all apart. So I'm trying to figure out what is what, why it's detached, and what all goes where, so I can figure this out. So this cable here was just wrapped up in here like this red one. It goes to that right there. This wire has a splice into it, which I'm assuming goes in for this. Hold on one second, I gotta put the phone down. The fuse panel. So I took that out. I found this here, the main one, is completely burnt out. So I'm guessing these wires come up through there, and there's supposed to be a fuse there, so they just bypassed it and put this here. There's these. I don't know what those are exactly for. The differential lock is just detached. It does move freely, like I can move it in and out, but I don't see anywhere it would attach to. There's this, don't have nothing to it. It's yellow, orange and black, and a black solid for a ground. So underneath here, there's this one, which got a solid red with a white stripe and a black wire. There's another plug further down. I can't tell how many wires in there because it's got a plastic thing on it, but that looks like a plug for like an O2 sensor of some sort, but engine's in the back, so I don't see why it would be up there. There's this. Not sure what this is for. It goes here, attaches there. There's this little box right here that's got just a normal blue wire that has nothing to it. That's all there is loose wise. I don't see no plug that's supposed to go from that side to a seatbelt sensor. This don't have it. It's got no wires going anywhere towards no seatbelt buckles, because these are aftermarket ones. So they have to have a bypass somewhere, but I can't find it. It could be these. Supposedly it's like a 2-wire thing. The only thing I see 2 wires is this, and that's for the main breaker. The main fuse. It could be for this. I don't know, maybe. It can come out. This is 2 wires. It's a red and blue and a black. I'm not sure what these all go to. Should start it back up so you can see what it's doing. Fuel pump kicked on. This is a bit sketchy, and I'm not really sure why it's doing this. Or the starter itself just is not working. So it'll idle. It's idling. There's also, for the limp mode situation, it says there's a sensor on the belt drive, which there's not. I looked all around it. Nothing plugs into it anywhere. probably going to take it apart and find out. But what it's doing, can't really see that, but if I give it gas, that's it. And it only does like 2 miles per hour. I can probably push it faster than it can drive. I don't know what the issue is. Maybe somebody can give me some pointers. This is my first side-by-side. It's my first Arctic Cat. Just trying to get it out of limp mode so I can figure out what the issue is. And I can go from there, from rewiring everything I have to. Any suggestions, that would be great. Thanks.